Hey, listen up. Generating income online just became 10 times simpler since I discovered a technique for you to earn money for a song you listen to. So, it is the first ever YouTube video to discuss it, which suggests this is new, fresh and works perfectly. It is not any of those scammy websites you could have seen before. It's a legit method as well. You don't need a Spotify account, you don't need any followers, and it's completely free. So, as long as you like music, you can do this without any issue. Now, here is what you will certainly need to make $400 a day by listening to music. If you don't have at least one of this, please leave this video since this will certainly not work for you. Anyways, here is what you will require. Number 1. Wi-Fi or internet connection. Number 2. At least one healthy ear so you can hear the music. And number 3. Laptop or computer or smartphone device, so any of those. Now you recognize what you need for this. Let's begin with a step-by-step tutorial. So in short, below is just how it works. Generally, you come by this website. You click to listen right here, that opens up one more page. You click play and then you will certainly need to listen to the song. For example, in this case, it's most likely to be 21 seconds. So I required to listen to this song for 21 seconds. After that is done, as you can see, to complete the challenge, please click on the repeated mirror image. In this case, it's going to be this one because there are a few of these. So click on that one. Also, I have gained some points or credits. Currently, I am going to show you step by step how to set this up and exactly just how you can redeem those points for real money. Exactly how you can trade those points for real cash. This tutorial will be divided into really very easy actionable steps that you can follow. There are probably be like 3 or 4 different steps. But before we start, welcome to our channel and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Let's begin with step number 1. Step number 1 is to come over to likeforlike.org. Likeforlike.org is just another social networks exchange marketplace, which suggests that you can come by to below. You can exchange Facebook likes, Twitter followers. You recognize like for like, follow for follow, comment for comment, and you know everything related to social media. However, that's not what we want, right? Well, then stay up until the end. You will certainly see how you can utilize this website to listen to songs and earn money in the videos. So these guys are most likely to provide you with points for listening to songs. Then I'm going to show you exactly how to exchange those points for actual cash. Also, you can choose any payment option you favor. I use PayPal, but you can utilize anything you like. Anyways, the first step is to come over to likeforlike.org. Although you can read more concerning it if you want to. And then click a register right here. Click a register. After that, you will create a simple username, a unique username. After that, you will create a password. Retype that very same password. Enter your email address. Retype the same email address. Click I agree to terms and conditions. You can review them by clicking on this button right here. Then click I'm not a robot. Also, just hit submit. And then they will send you a verification email. You will certainly open up your email. Click on the verification code and you will certainly have the ability to log into your account. So it's pretty simple stuff. So the first step is to register to likeforlike.org and after that log into your account. Enter your username, then your password. Log into your account and this is how it's going to resemble when you log into your account. So step number 2 will be to log into your account and begin collecting your points. So the way this works is daily people like me and come over to likeforlike.org. Right here they can start liking various Facebook posts, following people on Facebook, subscribing to other people on YouTube, following somebody on Twitter. So it's social media site exchange market. You come over to right here, you leave Twitter follow, you can get Twitter to follow back. So follow for follow, like for like, subscribe for subscribe, comment for comment. Once more, a social media site exchange industry. We can come to below and we can like different Facebook posts and return these people when we post our Facebook post. They will start liking our Facebook post. That's not what we have an interest in, right? You don't want any Facebook likes or whatsoever. You are right here to listen to songs, collect points and get paid for doing that. That's exactly what we are most likely to be doing. So step number 2 is to log into your account. After that, hover your mouse on social network exchange right here and you can do everything. You can do Facebook likes, Facebook followers. You can follow people on YouTube, follow people on Twitter, which method accumulate points. The best and the simplest one we will be doing today is listening to music and listening to SoundCloud music. So you can visit the site where it claims SoundCloud listening. Earn credits by SoundCloud listening. Click here. It takes you over to the page and right here it's exactly how it works. All you need to do is click listen right here. So you can listen to the song that opens up this web page and you need to listen to. In this case, you require to listen to the song for 21 seconds. You click here to play the song. You listen to it for 21 seconds. As well as after 21 seconds, you need to click on a mirror image. So there are 2 of these and I am going to click one of those. As you can see, I earned some credits. Now I can close that and then I can go to the next one. When you run out of a different songs to listen to, you will click on load new links and load more links. That's going to offer you extra songs to listen to. Also, the more songs you listen to, the more credits you will certainly earn. The more credits you earn, the more money you will make. Since we will convert those points into real cash in this step number 3 of this tutorial. However, step number 2 is to come by to likeforlike.org, log into your account, go to social network exchange as well as go to SoundCloud listening so you can start listening to those songs. You can start making those credits from those songs. So go there and finish step number 2 and also we will certainly jump into step number 3. It will also be our last step for this tutorial, earning credits and transforming those points right into actual cash. Finally, the last step, the third step, transform those credits into converting those points into real money. Pay close attention right now. Right here, it's just how you generate income. Once more, likeforlike.org is a social network exchange marketplace, which implies that you can exchange those credits for Facebook likes or Facebook followers, Instagram likes, YouTube subscribers, whatever you want to. You can also gain points by listening to music, yet you can likewise watch your videos like YouTube videos. In that way, you can collect credits. Yet, we are concentrating on listening to songs. It's alright. You can accumulate points in that way also. However, you can likewise convert those points into perhaps Instagram followers. Here's what you can do. Given that you can convert those credits into Instagram followers, you can go over to playerup.com. Playerup.com is a market where you can purchase and trade social media accounts, different video games and also social media engagement. It means Facebook likes, Facebook comments, Instagram followers, Instagram likes. You can sell, for example, Instagram followers. If you wish to do so, you can scroll entirely down from the playerup.com. You scroll down, you click all other games, /markets that will certainly take you over to this web page. You can click on I right here, the letter I. Then you will click Instagram. Now, as you can see, you can sell Instagram comments, Instagram followers and Instagram likes. Let's concentrate on Instagram followers in the meantime. So you can click Instagram followers right here. I'm going to reveal to you exactly how it works. I know it sounds a little complicated, but you will see exactly just how it works. As you can see, people are selling various followers. For example, 10,000 followers for $30. It's low cost. That's inexpensive. So let me locate something else. Perhaps let's start with 100 real followers for $2. So this guy sells 100 followers for $2. Generally, you can exchange credits for Instagram followers below. So what you can do, you click Instagram followers right here. Depending on how many credits you have, for example, if you are giving 5 credits per following, in this case, I can sell only 2 followers. But if I had much more credits, then I could sell 100 followers. As an example, in this situation for $2 to make sure that way, I am trading my credits for cash on PlayerUp.com. And all you require to do is to come over PlayerUp.com. Click on sign up right here, create an account, list your service like these people are making a list, and tell them that you are selling Instagram followers or likes or whatsoever. It is any of those social network involvements. When somebody orders, they will, as an example, send you their Instagram URL or their Instagram username. You will grab that URL and let's use this one. As an example, this is mine. And I would go right here, paste the URL here and click on add URL, and that's it. Now people from like for like will certainly begin following this account. So your customer is getting followers. They paid you and you are just going to lose this credit since all those credits will most likely be those followers. So that's just how you are exchanging those credits and those points for cash, and you can utilize any payment alternative you like. I make use of PayPal, but you can use any payment choice you want. Tell them like, hey, pay me via I know Stripe or pay me through credit card. Whatever you intend to, you can choose on PlayerUp.com. Once more, to summarize, LikeForLike.org is a social media engagement exchange marketplace where you can come, listen to various songs, make credits. After that, you can exchange those credits for Instagram followers, and you can also sell those Instagram followers on PlayerUp.com. In this way, you are making money simply by listening to songs. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up and share your opinion in the comments. If you are new here, then subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification on, and I will see you in some of the following videos.